This is a building. These are the people who work in the building. And these are the people responsible for keeping the building safe. Every year, all buildings in Malaysia are required to conduct the fire safety inspections. This is to ensure that fire safety requirements are in good condition and comply with the UBBL code. Fire safety reports help building owners and fire safety officers keep buildings safe. Now, we're going further. Introducing the DIAudit, the most comprehensive fire safety system. You just need to register an account for free, and the DIAudit will help you conduct fire inspections, get accurate data, and most importantly, your data is protected. You can conduct a fire safety inspection using a smartphone, accompanied by a checklist that is appropriate for your building. If you are a building owner or supervisor, the DIAudit gives you access to fire safety reports on the go. And our latest feature, you can manage your fire certificate on the DIAudit. You are a fire officer in charge of inspecting the building. The DIAudit helps to compile schedules and reports in an orderly manner. You can find out if the building passed or not online. If you are a fire safety contractor, the DIAudit will help you to carry out work efficiently and productively. And in turn, improve good relations with building owners. Your building is guaranteed safe, and you can work better and be the best. Download the DIAudit now, it's free. Log in to www.diaudit.com for more details.